welcome back to my channel, Chia Seed Travels. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack one bag to go everywhere, because we are not paying for extra baggage fees.
Nope.
One carry-on, that's it, everywhere I go. So before we get into it, please hit that subscribe button to join the Blooming Gang and see twice weekly videos about travel, budgeting, and how to afford to travel the world. All right, let's get into it. All right, now let's work it from the top down. The first thing I always pack is a hat. Not this hat, at least not for the cold weather, but this hat, a beanie. So I always pack a beanie and gloves first, because they're the two things I notice that I always forget. So if you're like me, I'm coming from a very hot climate in Arizona, going to very cold places like Iceland. So we gotta keep it nice and toasty underneath here. So even under my hat, I have another one. This is actually more like to protect my hair underneath. If you got like curly hair, you're gonna know, like, find out beanies rub against your hair called breakage. So I have this like silk cap here that I keep underneath my hat that adds an extra layer of warmth to my ears underneath my hat, and it keeps from the inside of the beanie, like rubbing against my hair follicles, protection. All right, on to the next. I am very lucky to have a very large boyfriend. He is a big man. He's 6'5". So I have his very giant clothes. You want to find the biggest, whitest, warmest, most durable jacket you can and bring that with you. This is not going to go inside your backpack. You're just going to go into the airport wearing this thing or have it tied around your waist. Okay? And underneath that, you're going to have a very thick shirt like this. You can find this wonderful exclusive shirt at a local Walmart. So you got your nice thick shirt. Underneath, you can have a t-shirt, your nice thick shirt, and then your very massive jacket that is not going to go in your bag. Be snug, okay? We are snug-a-dug-dug. All right, but this jacket, so I prefer to have a jean jacket whenever I go places in case it gets wet. So I've noticed that jean, and then have another one underneath, so that my jean jacket's wet, but at least my inner doesn't get wet, and I'm not like cold and wet. And I've noticed jean jackets do better against like wind, and it keeps that heat in, and it's just very durable, super durable. So especially if you're gonna spend a longer or extended time in colder places. And also, inside pockets. I keep my passport in my inside pocket, so it makes it easy to grab, easily accessible, and I don't have to put in any pockets in my backpack, so I don't have to dig through there to get it. But it's also very close to me, but not in like an outer pocket where someone can snatch it. So having an inside pocket to a jacket you're bringing is just a lifesaver. Now you've saved even more space in your bag to pack the really essential things. And you're gonna notice that this bag is even full because you wanna bring some things home. So you need a little bit of space in there for whatever cool things you're bringing back from the country you're going to. Okay, on to the inner pockets and how I pack things inside of things. So you first want to make sure you have a little bag like this. A lot of them carry their makeup in it. You can find it pretty cheap, like $1 or $2 at Walmart. And you'll put all of your toiletries inside this one bag. So for example, I got my toothpaste because we're keeping it nice and fresh. Got some floss because, you know, we ain't doing that plaque buildup. A mini thing to wash your face. And I also keep my ball net in here. So I keep this bag relatively on top. So when I'm in the airplane, I need to freshen up, or if right after I get off a flight, you're feeling kind of nasty after 18 hours, I can brush my teeth, I can wash my face, I can get everything under control here. Because we are not going to other countries with bad breath.
Nope.
So I also put in makeup. So I pack really lightly on makeup. I just get a really good coverage foundation, some lipstick, and some eyeliner. But I try to keep all of my smaller things that I would need immediately after getting off a flight or to refresh it in a flight in this bag. So, and then I put this bag into my smaller duffel bag. One thing that I've noticed that isn't talked about very often is the fact that you're not going to carry around the giant 47.5 liter bag everywhere you go. You're going to leave it at your hostel, you're going to leave it at a locker, you're going to leave it somewhere. But it's just too much to carry around all, like when you're exploring. I've tried it and it's a lot. But you want to keep a smaller bag so you can quickly leave your hotel or your hostel and go have a good time without carrying all that weight on you, but still having some essentials. So when I'm packing this bag into my bigger bag, I put in my essentials here. Put in some facial tissue. I also bring wet wipes, like Clorox wipes, on every flight I get on, just so I wipe it down. I've done this forever. I just feel like it's a cleaner and for my own sanity. I also carry a lot of hand sanitizer and tissues because, you know, your nose might get runny. You might have a little nose. And then I usually keep something immediate like my facial mask because we sleeping on these flights. But we're not sleeping on some deals. So I'm gonna put this in here. So I put it in the front pocket. I make sure to put my universal charger in this little bag because you're gonna quickly find that it's really hard to remember all the little things, right? So you want to remember all the smaller things first and then work out to the larger things. And a universal charger is so needed. I got this for $14 on Amazon and I've taken with me since I started traveling. So 2 years in, still really good. Besides the spring, my headphones, they're gonna go in the front for easy access. I keep bug spray because we don't like the bugs. No. And I use 100% DEET. I put this in my bag. And then I also keep an extra pair of gloves in this bag for cold places. So we're gonna just throw it in the bag. But we still have a lot of room in this bag. Lots and lots of room. So we're gonna add in some more essentials like deodorant because we can't be going out there musty. And we're gonna drop that deodorant in the bag. And also a fair warning, you're gonna sometimes encounter some people who are like a bit funky from traveling. So, you know, you just don't wanna be that person yourself. Don't say anything to them, don't be rude, but you also don't wanna be that person yourself. So, you know, keep it fresh. Next, I'll throw in some hair products. I get my Dew Grow and my Sulfur 8 everywhere I go. And if you have like a travel size conditioner, you want to put that in here. So look where we at. We haven't even got this in the bigger bag yet. We're looking pretty good. Now, I would also say, if you don't want to wear your hat and your scarf to airport, you can put that in the bag. Now, we are packed a lot of our things already. We have this one bag that we're gonna put inside of the bigger bag. But before we put this inside, we're gonna show you the clothes that I would bring in the winter season and put it in the bag. Throw it in the bag. All right, let's do it. The first thing we're gonna throw in the big bag is our shoes. So I have two different things. Depending on where you're coming from and what your climate you're coming from is, you can either wear the shoes you're wearing in the cold country as you go to the airport, or you can pack them in your bag. So I like to go to the airport in sandals. Pack some sandals. Underneath my pants, the first layer is thermals. So if you live in a hot place, you probably never heard of thermals before, but they are a godsend in lining the inside of your clothes to keep you nice and toasty. Okay, super toasty. And then we're not done yet. There's one more layer. We're wearing some sweatpants on top of the thermals and underneath the jeans. So we got 3 layers of pants going on. And you don't have to wear all 3 layers at the airport. You can pack these layers and wear something loose and light, right? Because you have a lot of space in our bags. When you have multiple layers, you have more outfit choices, right? You can also substitute thermals for leggings and put that underneath the cute little dress and put over a jacket, and boom, you have yourself a cute little outfit, right? but it gives you more options clothes-wise. I also pack a pair of like winter-themed leggings. These are real, not very cute and stylish, but they're soft and warm. So it's nice to wear when you're not going to be outside for very long. You don't want to get fully dressed up, but you also, gotta step out to step back in, maybe order something to your room, and you just want to grab really fast. Or if you're sleeping somewhere and it gets kind of chilly, you want to wear these bad boys. I also sleep in leggings and just a t-shirt or my big shirt I showed you guys earlier, to stay nice and warm, stay bundled up. I bring a bathing suit. So depending on where you're going, there might be an opportunity to swim. Either if it's in a hot tub, a geothermal pool, but you want to be prepared. And I bring my little onesie here. Lastly, I bring one nice going out dress. And I just restyle it a bunch of times with different outfits underneath. So for example, I'll bring like a nice sunny looking dress somewhere. Or I might bring like the dress I'm wearing. Very simple, easy to style, and if you want to go out, you want to look nice, but also the goal is to stay warm, so you want to layer up. I see a lot of girls when I go partying in like other countries dressed in nothing when it's 0 degrees outside. Like, I know you are freezing. You are, you know what though? You know what Cardi B said?
Because a hoe never gets cold.
And maybe we channel that warmth inside our bodies. Amen. All right, so final bag check. We have a very filled lady. We have enough clothes, enough items, enough of everything to last us a good week or two in a really cold place. So let me show you what it looks like closed. So boom, tons of space though. Oh, this comes with a nice like metal frame in the back to support your bag. Nice. We love our bag. This has been with me so many places. Like, I have love and affection for this bag, and it will keep going with me places. And let me show you what it looks like on. Now you're ready to go. My big old backpack. Feels like I'm in middle school again. That's how I pack my bag to travel to colder countries in the winter months. Remember, one bag. Minimalist travel is the most affordable travel. And it's easy to pick up and go when you're ready to go. We don't have very many things to leave with. And that's our bag. I'm glad you guys joined me today. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Join me again on Friday. I have another video coming out. Please join me for this video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications for more travel content. All right, peace out.